We're at Shalom International Family, the Hope of Nations, a church in Charama, where the church is very excited, impatiently waiting for a big moment to come. Fanny Lavine, their churchmate, is here, and her boyfriend is here too. They are going to be presented in front of the church because they are going to get married in 2 days to come. The church is very excited. They can't wait for the moment to come. Finally, their pastor is coming. Their pastor is going to introduce the new couple to the church and is going to announce the date of their marriage.
So turafise umugisha uno munsi mu ngoro y'Imana. Turakira Kezimana Norasque.
The church is happy, the family is happy, everyone in the church is happy, everyone is dancing for happiness. Can't wait to see the joy on their wedding day. After the dances, the celebrations, the congratulations hugs, the pastor announces the date of the wedding day and prays for the couple to have a successful marriage.
Imani zihezagira abazobahezagira.
Mungu abariki watakao wabariki.
Imani zivuma abazobavuma.
Alani watakao walani.
Imana izivange mu vyanyu.
Mungu ajichanganye ndani ya mambo yenu.
Ikore ibidasanzwe ku buzima bwanyu.
Atende yasiyo kawaida kwa maisha yenu.
Ibihe byose vy'integuro.
Nyakati zote za maandalizi.
Imana ibahagurukiriza abantu n'ibintu.
Mungu awasimamishie watu na vitu.
Kugira ngo urubanza rwanyu rugende neza cyane.
Ili sherehe yenu iwe nzuri zaidi. Inawatamkia baraka
n'ubuntu bw'Imana
na neema ya Mungu.
N'izina rya Yesu. Amen. Amen.